Hi, my name is Matthew DeLeon, Traffic Safety Specialist for the Houston District for the Texas Department of Transportation. I'm here to talk about our Sober Ride campaign for New Year's Eve for the Houston area. So if you didn't already know, drunk driving is a serious problem here in Harris County, so much so that we lead the state and are one of the highest in the nation for alcohol-related deaths on the road. This isn't a stat we want to live by. Here in TxDOT, we're all about safety and making sure our roads are safe for our fellow Texans. And we do that through infrastructure improvements, but also through education and enforcement. Last year, we did something big. We started the Houston Traffic Safety Coalition to promote safe mobility in the Houston area through innovation, education, and partnerships. We have over 100 members in this coalition from government, nonprofit, and businesses. In combating alcohol-related deaths, we had to look at the problem a different way. We decided to come with a more support-oriented approach, and one of the main reasons people don't use ride-hailing services is cost. It gets pricey, so we found a way to make it cheaper for people to do the right thing and still have fun. I'm pleased to announce we partnered with the Governor's Highway Safety Association, Lyft, Silver Eagle Distributors, and the Harris County District Attorney's Office to provide 3,000 $10 Lyft discount codes for this New Year's Eve. Our goal for the public: have fun this New Year's Eve, plan your ride, leave the driving to a professional, and we hope the $10 discount codes can help you and your family make the right choice. Be safe, drive smart. Thank you.
Hi, this is Houston Police Chief Art Acevedo, and I want to talk to you today, my fellow Texans, on a subject that is near and dear to my heart, and that's driving under the influence, driving while intoxicated. Here we are in the midst of the holiday season, and I'm here to tell you, as Texans, we're so proud to be number one, lead the state, lead the country, lead the world in a lot of good, great things that we should take pride in. But one of the things that we should not take pride in is the fact that Houston, Texas, Harris County, and our state are the worst city and the worst county and the worst state as it relates to the scourge of driving while under the influence. The deaths, the injuries, the life-altering crashes have to stop. This holiday season, I'm very proud to join with TxDOT, our partners with the Sober Ride campaign, a campaign to keep you and your families home for the holidays and not in prison, in jail, or God forbid, in a morgue. So let's do what we do best as Texans, and let's do our very best to make good choices.
Harris County leads the nation in DWI fatality crashes, and there is no excuse to get behind the wheel after a night of drinking. As a law enforcement liaison for the Texas Municipal Police Association, I support our men and women in law enforcement who work hard every day to keep you and your family safe on our roadways. As a police officer, I can attest that the hardest part of an officer's job is to notify a family member that their loved one will not be coming home ever again. On behalf of the Houston Traffic Safety Coalition DWI Committee, we want to remind you that everyone must play a role in preventing DWI crashes. You have the opportunity to make a good decision and get home safely. We want all of you to have a good time, but if you plan on drinking, please be responsible and plan ahead. I support TxDOT's Drive Sober campaign and want to wish all of you a safe and happy holiday season.
Hi, I'm Vicki Powers, Communications Specialist with Houston Recovery Center. Houston Recovery Center is a diversion center for those arrested for public intoxication. We feel confident that a number of individuals brought to us were picked up before they got to their car. We allow them to stay with us until they are sober enough not to be a risk to themselves or others. Houston Recovery Center is pleased to support the Sober Ride campaign because Harris County, unfortunately, continues to lead the nation in number of fatalities while driving under the influence. It's not a stat that any of us can be proud of, but it's one that can change.
Hey everyone, Sean Tier with the District Attorney's Office here. Just want to take a minute and encourage all of you to participate in the TxDOT Sober Rides campaign. It's basically there to make sure that all of us can get home safely when we decide to celebrate away from our homes this holiday season. So please, from all of us that are working with TxDOT and Lyft in this partnership, please participate. Have a plan. Get home safely. Thank you.